Kailangan ko daw magkaroon ng milyong-milyong pera sa bangko bago makabili ng kondo?
Hindi totoo yan.
Nice.
Marami po akong na-assist at marami po akong first-time investor at buyers na nag-start sila ng kanilang monthly amortization for as low as 10,000 to 16,000 monthly. Hi, I'm Lars, your Realtor Tito. I help first-time buyers to make a smart and confident decision in real estate. If you are a young professional and a newlywed couple, this episode is for you. Let's be honest, nakaka-intimidate yung idea ng investment. Tama ba? Pero condo ownership today is very much accessible than ever. With pre-selling units ng SMDC, you can start with a low monthly payments. No need for a huge lump sum upfront. Meron akong kliyente before na gusto daw niya mag-invest sa SMDC pero ganito lang ang kanyang monthly na income. So binigyan niya ako ng idea kung magkano yung monthly income niya, which is nasa 50 to 60,000 monthly. And they found a pre-selling project na inoffer ko sa kanya with zero down payment and for as low as 12,000 lang. And fast forward 2 years, tumaas na ang market value ng unit nila.
Wow!
They are now planning to rent it out once na ma-turn over sa kanila yung unit. From renters to owners. And from owners to investors. Yan ang target natin. SMDC offers flexible payment terms. Meron tayong early move-in promos and yung mga projects natin and units are located in prime locations. Perfect for first-time buyers who wants to start a small but think big. Now, kung first-time buyer ka, tara, I'll guide you step by step. From choosing the right unit to understand the payment terms, comment start and I'll send you a DM. Let's turn your first investment into a smart one. Again, this is Lars, your Realtor Tito. Follow for more.